Even today, exploring a new Python project can become stressful. If just one dependency or the Python version doesn't match, the whole app might break and you'll be stuck debugging for hours. Let's fix that with UV, a smarter and faster way to manage Python projects. Here's what UV can do for you. Spin up Jupyter Lab with just one command. Now think back to the last time you tried setting up Jupyter through the pip install command. Environments, dependencies, broken kernels. This part of the clip has been sped up 3.5 times to keep the video short. Yeah, UV makes it blazing fast. Let's get the UV tool set up on your machine. It just takes a moment. You can get the install command for your OS here. There are multiple options depending on the way you want to set up. With that done, let's dive into the fun part, initializing your project. A Python project isn't just a folder of scripts, it can be a full-blown app or a reusable package. UV Init sets both folder structures up in seconds. No guesswork, just structure. UV Init with AppSwitch lays the foundation for building an application-based Python project. UV Init with Package Switch sets up everything you need to build a Python package that can be installed anywhere. The package switch is used when you need to set up MCP servers. The Python file locations are different in both cases. One of the biggest frustrations with pip, waiting forever for package installation. UV add makes it feel like magic. UV add pandas updates your pyproject.toml just like that. This part of the clip is real time, no speed up. Or go lightweight, UV add with script switch followed by your script.py. Either way, running your script feels faster and cleaner than ever before. UV inject packages right on top of your scripts. Running Python scripts with new packages can be a headache. Broken environments, missing dependencies, you name it. UV run solves all that with a unified environment-free command. Here's how it works. Running your script, just type UV run your script.py. It's that simple. The environment is read from PyProject or from the script header. But here's where it gets powerful. UV run supports a with flag, letting you inject packages on the fly without installing them. There is no need for PyProject or the script header. Game changer. Remember, there were two ways to create a project. When you create a package project, UV run can run the package with the name you give in the pyproject.toml file here. Most people get overwhelmed by the flood of features in new tools, and when that happens, they fall back to what they know: pip and venv. But what if the new tool made everything simpler, not harder? UV Venv creates a virtual environment, just like Python Venv Command. You can activate it, run UV pip install, and execute your scripts as usual. You can use this option if you want isolate environment setup like traditional way and manage dependencies. We can list the packages in your virtual environment with UV pip freeze command. To make your UV skills stick, you've got to dive in and practice. Here's a simple cheat sheet. Start with any of the MCP tutorials and apply what you learn. UV will speed up your workflow and help you get results faster.